How Windows gives you login. Like when you type username and password in the login panel, then Windows gives you access. But how it works internally? The Security Account Manager, SAM, often Security Account Manager, is a database file in Windows XP, Vista 7, 8, and 10 that stores users' passwords. It can be used to authenticate local remote users, beginning with Windows 2000 as before Active Directory authenticates remote users. SAM uses cryptographic measures to prevent unauthenticated users accessing the system. There is a SAM file in your C drive which stores your username and password of Windows. So when you log in at Windows, it checks at SAM file and gives you access if your username and password is right. But where it is located, let's find out. Let's go to C panel, or not C panel, let's go to our C drive. C, then type Windows, C, then go to it is finding. Let's go to C, then Windows, then System32, then config, and type SAM. So this is the SAM file which contains username and password of your login panel, but when you click it, it won't give you permission to open. Access is denied. Because if anyone can open this file, so anyone can change the username and password, and that's not possible. Microsoft has denied the access to us. You cannot open it, you cannot copy it, you cannot delete it, that file, right? This is called SAM file, Security Account Manager file. SAM file in the system, it looks like this, that your username is in the plain text and your password is in the hash format basically. You can find it on C, Windows, System32, config, and SAM. What is password salting? In cryptography, a salt is a random data that is used as an additional input into a one-way function that hides a password or passphrase. Salts are closely related to the concept of nonce. Just like that. Suppose this is your password. This is your salt value and this is your password. So it attaches the salt value with the password and create a new hash. That is called password salting. To add something. Password cracking tools, OpCrack and LoftCrack. We have tools like OffCrack and LoftCrack which we can use to copy the information of SAM file. You cannot do it manually as we have seen that, but you can do it with these tools OPHCrack and LoftCrack to gather information. Password cracking tools for mobile. If you want to crack the password tool for mobile, you can use FlexiSpy password grabber, and it is used to crack passwords of mobiles. So this is all about our password cracking and how Windows works or how Windows gives you login. So you should know about the SAM file also. Thank you so much guys, and in next video we will learn in some more details of password, how hack systems in third.